will speak. As long as you pay close attention, you can hear 1,000 words in their roar. Did you know? As snowflakes gather beneath your feet, the sky above, beyond the clouds, is aglow with sparkling stars. When the workers' focus is mirrored in sweat, rain also appears to bear witness to their determination. Were you aware? When sound is captured, closing your eyes allows you to envision countless landscapes. In the realm of sound, you can consistently sense their impactful presence. This, in essence, is the Latin oil field as perceived through my ears.